Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a Holman shelf drawer kit. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 48152. It is a 50-inch wide shelf drawer kit. It's used to convert or basically turn a shelf into a full slide-out drawer. So that's why this is so big and doesn't look like, you know, a traditional drawer cabinet, because this is to basically convert 50-inch wide drawer or shelf into a drawer that you can pull out. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on here inside the box. All right, nice deep box right here. Let's pull out some of these components. First of all, right on top here, we have our parts list, everything that should be in the box, as well as a quality control stamp. So a shelf, a divider of some sort, two little hinges, and a hardware box. So this is also your installation instructions. Shows you how to install this on a shelf. We're also gonna be putting it on a shelf in a video, so you can watch that as well. Cool thing about this shelf is it is lockable. So right here, you can see the two keys. We'll show you the locking portion here in a second once we get it all unboxed. But also in here, we do have some type of a bracket. I'm not sure if this is used for mounting it or a divider or something like that, but we'll figure that out. We have a bag of button head screws. Again, I'm not sure if this is for mounting it to the shelf or some other purpose, but we'll get to the bottom of that. Oh, our warranty card. This does have a 3-year warranty from the factory. Holman just has a policy that it must be purchased from an authorized reseller like upfitsupply.com. So if you want to take advantage of that warranty, make sure you're buying it from an authorized reseller. Now we do have our side little hinge kit, or not hinge kit, but slide kit, if you will. I believe this gets mounted onto the side of the shelf, and you'll put the drawer into these sides. There's 2 of them here. Now you can start to see this already, but everything here is powder coated in that iconic Holman gray powder coat finish. It's gonna match the shelving, it's gonna match your partition, it's gonna match any other hardware accessories you have. Looks like I do have something in here. I don't know if this is a pin, but that was in the bag. And I believe this is the main showcase in this. And it is essentially a giant drawer. Let's get that foam off. So you can see right here, just on the side, we do have the other part of our slides. These are gonna go to those side brackets. I flip this around. You can see it's just a big drawer that gets put into a 50-inch wide shelving unit. You mount it to the sides and you can pull it open. It does have our little latch here on the side, so it stays locked in place while you're in transit or while it's closed. You need to open it, you slide this to the side, you pull it right open. We also have over here our lock. So like I mentioned, this is a locking kit, so if you have some extra valuable items, you want another layer of security on there, you do have a lock right here that you can use, and it comes with the 2 keys that you need. So it looks like it is pretty simple. You have this main drawer piece right here, you have your 2 sides, and you have a bracket right here that, again, I'm not sure what that is used for. It might actually be a divider that you can put inside, and then it looks like there's some little holes in the back portion that you can screw that into. So if you need to divide this into 2 units, you can do that. So yeah, I'm 90% sure that's what you do, because there's some slits. I don't know if you can see this on any of the cameras. Slits right here, this one right here where that's in, and right there. So pretty sure that's the divider bracket. So if you want to divide this into sections, you can do that. So pretty cool, 4-piece kit. This is all the hardware you need to install it on a shelf, so that's pretty cool. That must mean that we have pre-threaded, yep, we do have pre-threaded mounting locations right here on these side brackets. So you're not having to fish a washer and a nut back there to try and get everything lined up. It's all pre-threaded and everything to make it nice and easy for your installation. So if you're looking for this drawer or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.